My brothers from Teso, let me hope you are not the one beating people in Kawempe. Let me hope you are not the one beating people in Uganda. My brothers of Teso who are carrying guns, let me hope so. You are not dragging anything with the Baganda people. Why are you beating them? Eh? Why are you beating them? People who are carrying guns don't accept to be useful idiots to the government of Museveni. You are beating journalists. You are beating civilians. The day of voting, why are you beating people? Journalists who are just carrying cameras to show the world how the elections are going, you are beating them. Why do you want to turn Uganda into a battlefield? You put elections, you start beating people. What is the meaning of that? Those people you're beating, they have children. How do you expect their children to see their parents beaten like children? Those men you're beating, they have families. They have women. How do you expect their women to see you beating their husbands day and night? My brothers from Teso, let me hope you are not doing that. Because if you're doing that, God will judge you. People who are carrying guns, stop being useful idiots to the government of Uganda. Before you beat your brother, first think of the crime he has committed. Today is the day of elections. People just go to the polling station to start voting, and they go back home, they wait the results. You're beating them. That is not right. That is not what we bargained. Museveni said he went to the bush to fight for peace. Is that peace? Simanyi nalwana kunsiko. Ani yakutumayo? Twakutumayo. Even though it is our grandparents who sent you to the bush to fight for them, they are no more. At least give us, the grandchildren, the freedom of speech. You came in power when some of us were not born. You have ruled us even as we have born children in your government. Some people even have grandchildren in your government. Panange tulekemu. Simanyi mwalwana mwaluma. Twabatumayo. How much did you buy Uganda? Even it is Obote who made Uganda independent. Gwe nogenda mu nsiko n'otandika bibyo olw'okuba oyagala twavuwaza. You went in the bush to fight for us, to make Uganda poor. When Obote was a president, people of northern Uganda, they had cows. Teso, they had cows. Aluru, they had cows. Acholi, they had cows. Baganda, coffee was there. But he went to the bush to destroy everything to make Ugandans poor. Katogamba, simanyi nalwana. Twakutumayo. Kati, is this peace of beating people up and down? Who sent you to the bush? Because first and foremost, you are not the one who made Uganda independent, which means you came into power with your selfish interest. You went in the bush to fight for nothing, to destroy the source of income for Ugandans. Katocha tukuba. Tukume ko bomu, tuferumu. Go sigare ngofuga. Panange mpulira obusungu. Abana abawulire bonna babakubye abantu bakaaba. Museveni utwagaza kiddala. Uganda ogivuga ogitwala. Mwana wa mujja obutwa n'afa. oba mwana wa neighbor wo bw'asoma bulungi olina omuloga n'afa oba olina omukuba essasi n'omutemula. Bannange kyogamba tosobola kuwaayo mwana wa mujja w'amazzi n'anywa omutuga butuzi. Tulekemu naawe tutumalako mirembe. Ate Abannayuganda munyigeeko. It is now tit for tat game. Abo abantu abatukuba babeera eyo mu ghetto. Mugende mubabuuzeeko bannange oba Muteesa oba Mulango oba Mukyoli oba Muganda oba Munyankole. Mugende mumubuuzeeko mu Luganda mu lulimi lw'otegeera. Mubuuzeeko tugende tubabuuzeeko basusse bwe balina okukoma.
Ourselves as journalists. Let's listen in to Tracy, who is coming to us live from the hospital where Francis Isano is. Tracy?
Right here, we are at Kampala Hospital, and as you can see right now, Isano Francis, one of the team members of the NBS crew, a photographer, was injured while